Following the two variants with V8 engines, Mercedes-AMG presents the SL43, combined fuel consumption 9.4 to 8.9 L/100 km, combined CO2 emissions 214 to 201 G/km, won a technically innovative entry-level model of the newly developed roadster icon. Under the bonnet of the open-top 2+2-seater with fabric soft top is an inline 4-cylinder petrol engine with 2 liters displacement that provides the befitting propulsion. This is the first time in the world that an electric exhaust gas turbocharger is being used in a production vehicle. This technology comes from Formula One trademark. The system in the SL43 is a direct derivative of the development successfully used by the Mercedes-AMG Petronas F1 team for many years in the premier class of motorsport. The new form of turbocharging guarantees particularly spontaneous throttle response across the entire rev range, thereby offering an even more dynamic driving experience while increasing efficiency at the same time. The turbocharger is operated via the 48-volt electrical system, which also feeds the belt-driven starter generator, RSG. As a result, the Mercedes-AMG SL43 has an output of 280 kilowatts, 381 HP, and a maximum torque of 480 Nm, plus an additional short-term boost of 10 kilowatts, 14 HP, from the RSG in certain driving situations. The new entry-level model in the SL family also shines with extensive standard equipment. In addition, numerous options that enhance comfort and safety offer a wide range of possibilities for individualization. In the 70 years of its development history, the SL experienced the transformation from a thoroughbred racing car to an open-top luxury sports car, and has long enjoyed legend status, not least for this reason. The new Mercedes-AMG SL now marks another milestone in the model's history. It combines the distinct sportiness of the original SL with the unique luxury and technological excellence of the modern Mercedes-AMG models. As the new entry-level model in the series, the SL43 is a particularly good example of this. It is the world's first series-produced vehicle to feature an electric exhaust gas turbocharger. This technology comes directly from Formula One trademark and solves the trade-off between a small, fast-responding supercharger that nevertheless achieves comparatively low peak power and a large supercharger with high peak power that only responds delayed. With its innovative engine concept, the new entry-level model of the 2+2-seater roadster is aimed more at particularly tech-savvy buyers. With its combination of a comparatively light 4-cylinder engine on the front axle and rear-wheel drive, the SL43 also displays distinctly discrete handling characteristics.